Hello friends, welcome to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today we will be making a halwai style besan barfi at home. So first of all, heat a pan on a low flame and add 1 cup of besan or gram flour and roast it. Add 1 tablespoon of rava. Dry roast for 2 minutes on a low flame. Add half cup of ghee and then give it a nice mix. No lump should be formed. Continuously roast for 12 to 15 minutes on a low flame till nice aroma release from the flour. The mixture will slightly become liquidy because of the ghee. And after 12 to 15 minutes, if the mixture is roasted properly, it will become thick. Small bubble will form on the surface, that means flour is roasted properly. Now add 1 teaspoon of green caradmon powder and mix it well. Turn off the flame but keep stirring the mixture because pan is still hot. As the mixture cools down, it will get more and more thick. Now in another pan, take 1/4 cup of water and half cup of sugar and make a sugar syrup on a medium flame, that is chachni. Cook the chachni till one string is formed. Now add the chachni into the ghee besan mixture and give it a nice mix. Roast on a medium flame for the 2 minutes till the mixture is detaching from the surface of the pan. Now add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, it is optional, and mix it. Now turn off the flame. Now apply the ghee on a mold or a plate and transfer the barfi mixture into the plate. Now with the help of spoon or spatula, spread the mixture giving the rectangular or square shape. And make the surface smooth. Now spread 9 to 10 crushed almond and 9 to 10 crushed pista on the surface of the barfi and gently press it with the spatula to stick it with the barfi. Let it cool completely and set it for the 2 hours. Now before it completely set, give it a marks to make a parts with the help of knife as shown in the video. If you are in hurry, then set it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes. And here we go, halwai style besan barfi is ready to serve. Look at the color and texture, it is just looking like a halwai style. So give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned till next recipe. Till then, take care and enjoy.